This instructional video is on translations. For number 1, translate the figure 5 units right and 2 units up. So we're going to start at point A. We're going to count 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to count 2 values up, 1, 2, and put a new point. We're going to label this point A prime. That little tick mark next to the letter A is our prime symbol, and it shows us that that is the new point A. We're going with letter B. We're going to count 5 right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to count 2 up, 1, 2, putting in the new point B and labeling it B prime. And we do it again for point C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, and then 1, 2 up, labeling that point C prime. We connect our dots for our triangle. You should notice that the triangle is the exact same size and same shape. Everything is in the same direction. The only thing that has changed is the location of the figure itself. For number 2, we're going to translate the figure 2 units right and 6 units up. This time, we're not going to have the extra lines on the graph. We're only going to count the points. So if I start at point R and I count 2 right, 1, 2, and then I count 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I end up way up here at the top, and we label it R prime. Point P, if we count 2 right, 1, 2, and then we count 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we would label our point P prime. For point S, we count 2 right, 1, 2, we count 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and label it S prime. And for point Q, we count 2 right, 1, 2, we count 6 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plotting our point, labeling it Q prime. When you connect the dots, you can see that the shape is the exact same size. Everything is going in the same direction. The only thing that is changed is that the figure is now at the top of the graph instead of down at the bottom, and it is shifted over slightly. For number 1, not only do we have to be able to create the new graph, but we also have to be able to tell what happened. So going from the original point E to the point E prime, we want to count. We can see that we've gone to the right 1, 2, 3, 4 values. Okay, so we're going to label that first. We're going to translate the figure 4 units right, and we're going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to translate 4 units up. Number 2, again, we want to take our original point. You can choose any of them, going from point F to the new F prime. We're going to count down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we would label that and write it as translate the figure 7 units down. And then we're going to go to the right 1, 2, 3. And so we label it 3 units right.